Rise and shine, everyone. Good morning, and welcome once again to Simple Things Morning Worship. This morning, as you're about to start your busy day, I'd like to share with you the wonders of creation as you listen to the sound of the morning rain. Dear friend, as you go about your busy day, please take the words of Matthew 5, verses 44 and 45 with you. But I say unto you, love your enemies, bless them that curse you, do good to them that hate you, and pray for them which despitefully use you and persecute you, that ye may be the children of your Father which is in heaven. For he maketh his sun to rise on the evil and on the good, and he sendeth rain on the just and on the unjust. Have a great day.